Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to dive into a soft glam makeup tutorial that's perfect for beginners. If you've been scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen that viral icy makeup look that everyone's raving about. It's all about that effortlessly chic vibe, and trust me, it's easier than you think. So grab your brushes and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the base. A flawless complexion is key to achieving that soft glam look. Start with a good primer to smooth out your skin. I'm using a hydrating primer today because I love that dewy finish. It also helps my makeup last longer, which is a must when you're out and about. Once that's settled in, go ahead and apply your foundation. Remember, less is more. You want to even out your skin tone without looking cakey. A damp beauty sponge works wonders for blending it all out. Just bounce it on your skin for that airbrushed effect. If you have any blemishes or redness, don't be afraid to spot conceal with a creamy concealer. Now, let's add a little warmth back into the skin. I'm using a cream bronzer today because it blends beautifully and gives that natural glow. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline, and a bit on your forehead. Don't forget to blend, blend, blend. You want those edges to be seamless, so take your time with this step. For blush, I'm going for a soft peachy tone. Just a dab on the apples of your cheeks will give you that fresh look. And for the final touch, a little highlighter on the high points of your face, think cheekbones, brow bones, and the bridge of your nose. You want to catch the light just right. Alright, moving on to the eyes. This is where the magic happens. For our soft smoky eye, we're going to keep it simple yet stunning. Start with a neutral eyeshadow base. A light beige or soft taupe will work perfectly. Apply it all over your eyelid and a bit into your crease to create depth. Now, for the smoky effect, I'm using a slightly darker shade, think a warm brown. With a fluffy blending brush, apply it to the outer corner of your eye and blend it into the crease. The key here is to build up the color gradually. You can always add more, but it's harder to take away. Next, let's add some shimmer. I'm obsessed with icy tones, so I'm using a frosty silver or icy blue shade on the inner half of my eyelid. Pat it on with your finger for maximum impact. This is where the look gets that viral edge. Don't forget to blend the shimmer into the darker shadow so there are no harsh lines. For the lower lash line, take that same warm brown and smudge it out for some definition. It really pulls the whole look together. Now, let's finish up with eyeliner and mascara. A soft brown eyeliner pencil will keep it natural while still defining the eyes. Just a thin line along the upper lash line will do the trick. If you're feeling adventurous, a little wing can add some drama. Then, coat your lashes with your favorite mascara. I like to do a couple of layers to really make them pop. If you want to go all out, adding some false lashes can take this look to the next level, but it's totally optional. Finally, let's wrap this up with lips. I'm going for a nude lip today, something soft and glossy. A lip liner that matches your natural lip color and a creamy lipstick or gloss on top will complete this icy glam look perfectly. And there you have it. A soft glam makeup look that's easy to achieve and perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your looks with me. I can't wait to see how you all rock this icy vibe. Until next time, stay glam.